you can step out, get some in now, let your edge out. Twist some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me.
Jay Demar Squad. It's your girl Jay, and I'm back again with another video. Okay, so I know I look a little musty, dust or whatever, but it's okay.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But it's okay because don't worry about it. Anyways, I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back. I say this all the time, but you know, I'm gonna be back and forth, cause like, yeah. But don't matter the noise in the background. But anyways, today I'm doing, it's kind of complicated, cause like I'm finna show y'all. It's not a night routine, but it's basically a video for tomorrow. It's to get ready with me for school. Yes, I got school tomorrow, so.
But what then?
Anyways, yeah, it's to get ready with me for school. But tonight, you know, I'm finna take my shower and stuff. Y'all finna come with me and do all that. But, yeah. Right now, I'm finna, like, get in the shower and stuff like that. And I'm gonna be back and I'm gonna let y'all know what stuff I use. And I'm gonna do my, like, you know, face routine. Cause my face starting to break back out and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna show y'all some more stuff. But y'all know, just stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So, let's go. I'm back. I haven't gotten in the shower yet, but I'm just gonna show y'all where I'm gonna use to get in the shower. So, I got this little thing for my friend for Christmas. You know, get y'all a friend like me, period. Shout out to Zion. And Ramaya stuff, I'm gonna use her perfume. Get like me, get friends like that, period. Okay, so, it's champagne toast and it's this what I'm finna use, shower gel, but I also using my sensitive dub because like, yeah, obviously y'all see my face, but it's cool. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm out the shower, when I'm finna brush my teeth, do the little face routine, whatever. So yeah, stay tuned back, and I'm out the shower. I got in the shower at like 6:35. It's currently 7:10, but it's alright. So I was gonna do like the little routine, but I'm not gonna do all that because this video gonna be too long. But I'm finna go ahead and do like wash my face, brush my teeth and stuff like that. And then I'll get back with y'all tomorrow and I'll show y'all all that tomorrow. Like basically I'll get ready with me for school. So yeah. Peace. I'll see y'all in the morning like probably 6 y'all. So I tell y'all and it's just now turned 6 o'clock. I was supposed to be and got up. But I was tired, man, not gonna lie. Like I was dead serious. Not too much on the background. But yeah, so, this is get ready with me for school. So first thing I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna get my clothes out. And then I'm gonna put them on probably. Then I'm gonna like, you know, brush my teeth, wash my face, and do other stuff like that. So yeah, let's go. So now I'm back from putting my clothes on. And I'm finna brush my teeth, wash my face, do the little face routine. Cause my face starting to break back out. But it's okay. So
yeah. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush my teeth so we go. And it's really not no special toothpaste that I use during daytime, but it's one I use during nighttime. And it's this. I use this at nighttime, but at my job, I'm probably really more. Oh shit.
Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
Okay, so I'm done brushing my teeth. Now I'm finna like do my face routine and stuff. So yeah, let's go. See, whatever that shit called. Okay, so first thing we're gonna use is this one. Oh shit.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on.
And now that I'm done with that, wash my face. I'm gonna put some CeraVe lotion on it. So yeah.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I baby, you don't know.
Later. Okay, so now that I put it on, I do different things like, you know, not too much on my room. Like I'm in my bed. But I do different things like put different types of perfumes on. So I did. So first thing I'm gonna put on is this Champion from my friend. Now I'm done with it. I'm gonna put this on. This is what Role Model gave me that I went to show y'all last night. So yeah.
But what the hell, boy?
Okay. And I just mixed it up with like different other types. Which is this one. So yeah. So now I'm gonna go put my shoes on and I'll get back to y'all.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need.
stuff and, you know, my hair and stuff. I ain't got on my shoes, like for real. They at the car and I don't feel like going out there to get them just for y'all. But it's cool. Y'all gonna see me in the car on the way to that school. But yeah, I'm done. I'm not done with everything, but I'm done with what I'm showing y'all on camera. So y'all get back to y'all when I'm in the car. Alright y'all, so I'm in the car and don't mind the background, I'm in the car and I'm on the way to school. So yeah, it's so fun outside, like it don't make no sense like at all. But yeah, y'all gonna see me first period and probably second period and through the hallways because I take first period PE, so yeah. Okay guys, so we're at school now. I got PE first period like I said, which is boring. You fit turn it off. No, we're not. It's stupid old volleyball. So like yeah, I'll get back to y'all doing later on. So alright y'all.
Oh, we can't stick middle fingers up?
You can.
Okay.
I don't care. Okay, y'all. So we in school, like I said, boring school. I didn't want to go to school.
The school should have got blown in the shoe. The school should have got hit by the nail.
If somebody said from school, just know I did not say that. She said that.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Goodbye. Hey guys, we just came back from playing volleyball. On who?
Yes, I do.
On GD? I'm not. No game, baby. Kyle, say hey to my vlog. Hey. No, I'm just playing. Yeah, get it, I guess. But yeah, this is the end of this vlog, period. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.